Hi, so today we have a day out. I have an event. Sonal is with me. Hi. And Nikita is the one holding the camera. So we have a UCB event where we're going to like a new store. And then uske baad Nikita's booked a really nice dinner at St.Regis. So that's what's happening. So we decided we should vlog and you guys can come along with us.
So we have Sonal on our team right now and she'll be helping us create content for our brand page, and we are just discussing the content buckets.
We made it to the green carpet. So we're done with the event. It was actually really nice. I love the collection. We kind of loved a few pieces that I wanted to pick also myself, but they didn't have my size because some sale was going on, so it lost everything. I think all of us built that appetite to go feast at where are we going?
St.Regis.
No, like what restaurant?
By The Mekong, I guess.
Is it Vietnamese?
It's Asian.
Yeah,
right?
But Mekong is like Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite cuisines. I swear, I'm so hungry. I'm so
excited. Let's go.
Yes, we must. There's only one floor, guys. How much is it? It's okay, here. Okay, so we just got called models. So nice. I love it.
Hello, nice to meet.
Hello. Hi.
I'm Debasree.
Debasree.
Yeah.
I just follow you in half an hour before. I saw your friend is a wow. Your friend that long. Famous. So thank you very much for taking dining in the By The Mekong. I introduce myself from the camera.
Sure.
Yeah, good. So my name is Raymond. I'm from Malaysia. So By The Mekong is I joining February. So this is my second time in Mumbai. And something of By The Mekong, our cuisine is Southeast Asia. Mekong of Thailand and Vietnam cuisine. Plus my own Chinese cuisine, Southeast Asia, I'm Malaysian. So plus my specialties of Chinese. So
I love Chinese food.
You love Chinese.
I had such a great time when I was in Beijing and Vietnam. Like Vietnam was my favorite food place of all time, and followed by Beijing.
you been Vietnam?
I have, yes.
You've been you've been Beijing.
Yes. Yes.
You're amazing.
I yeah, and I traveled to Peak.
What is the age? So what is the year of your Beijing?
Beijing was 2018.
2018. Okay.
Yes, and Vietnam was 2019 or 2018 itself.
Oh,
Same
good.
year. Yeah.
Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh, Hanoi.
Hanoi.
Yes, those two main those. So we went from, no, we didn't do any other city.
Thank you very much for dining. So you are checking now at 8 o'clock until 12 o'clock. I will not let you out of my restaurant. I will continue to present to you how amazing of my signature dish.
Let's do it.
Let's do that.
I love it. I think we all kind of subconsciously picked up our own favorite kind of drinks, because mine is very me, it's very fruity, it's khata, it's tangy. Hers is like sweet and very vanilla based and pineapple based. Yeah, and yours is a Negroni.
Negroni, yeah, which I love.
So good. That looks incredible. What is this?
This is Thailand shrimp cake.
This is one of the best prawn dishes I've ever eaten. It's like a burst of flavor in my mouth. The batter is out of this world. What do you think?
I love it. It's beautiful.
So wow, these are cute.
Oh, hold on. I think a good angle. Yeah. This is for you. You know why? When you back from the Singapore or Malaysia, Singapore, this is a Singapore chili crab.
Oh, okay.
A Singapore?
Chili crab. Crab, C-R-A-B, crab meat.
Crab.
C-R-A-B, yeah.
Oh,
I'll take
lovely.
one. Yeah.
What are these? Are these for bread?
Bread, yeah. Deep fried bread, yeah. I take one also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks so good.
Let me present my signature. My signature that means from Chef Raymond. This is the crispy noodle with black bean sauce. So this is the only you can have in By The Mekong because this is the special creative by Chef Raymond.
This looks delicious.
Malaysia.
Delicious.
Thank you.
So good. Thank you. My mouth is literally watering. Sorry, just 1 second.
We are in food heaven right now.
I'm so glad we're vlogging.
Question for you. You are the big eater. Where going the food of your slim body?
Tell us the secret, Debasree. We need to know. What's the secret?
I only eat good food.
Our Lady tonight.
What is this?
Which one?
Plantain custard.
This one? Plantain custard and
I actually saw this on
This is
Instagram.
cacao 64.
Oh wow. This
Oh my god, that looks amazing. We have a MasterChef expert here who's telling us this is burnt milk. How much MasterChef do you want?
have some more of lot of it.
But the panna cotta is so good. It is one of the best. Suraj is gonna hate me tomorrow.
I love burnt milk.
What do you think this is, Nikita?
Faluda. It is what it is. It is a faluda, guys.
It's a coconut milk faluda. It is. It's actually good. I would actually prefer this with like chia seed.
I was just gonna say it's like porridge. It's like the breakfast.
It is like chia seed porridge. So I think Raymond really underestimated us when he said how much he's going to feed. I didn't think he realized how much we could eat. What do you think now?
you can eat continue or what? Yes, this woman, I continue question, where's my food? I've been arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I arranged 10 food for only 3 person, and I come only within 25 minutes. And where's my food? They eat all. I believe they love it. Thank you very, very, very much. You love my food. Thank you once again.
We really do.
Yeah.